All right, what? Oh, is this a breadboard?
Yeah, this is a breadboard. Very advanced IC and capacitor and resistor circuit on the breadboard. It's going to revolutionize the world.
We only just built the circuit this day.
Big new change. The next big thing.
Yeah, but we're doing it the old way
what
anyway because we want to
possessed
show
you?
it at Circuit
What?
Codes.
What possessed you to make this?
Myself.
Don't get competitive.
I'm pretty sure it's Tina because she did that before you with a
Really?
resistor. Yeah, with a resistor and an LED. I can show
See,
you.
I did it with my IC.
Hi, I'm Anj from M5. Would you like to demo your project?
Yeah, sure. Why not?
Okay, so tell us more about your multiple projects that you have here.
Yeah, so I have the world's first working breadboard. It's displayed right here. I made it yesterday, so it's very fresh. When I came in and made this yesterday, I took a bit off of the bread, so at least we are not wasting food. When I came in today, there was half the bread was gone for some reason. I heard the rumors that somebody sat on it and it broke off, but it still works.
How did you toast it?
I toasted it with hot air gun because we don't have toaster. What else could I do?